Welcome back, everyone. Okay, so first of all, we need to make the h2 header. Okay, and this is header 2 slash h2, just to close that off. Now we need to add in a table, so we call the table, and let's close that off right there. Okay, the second thing we need to do is add in a table row. And we're going to call this a table row. And of course we need table data. And I'm just going to push data here for now. Simple enough. And there we go. Of course, we also need a border, and we'll just make it 2. So now that we have 3 rows right there, or sorry, 3 columns, what we need to do is we need to add in an unordered list. So I'm just going to go ahead, and I'm actually going to delete data, and the data, and I'm actually going to put these closing table data tags on the next line. So we need an unordered list. So an unordered list with 3 items, and of course we need li is list item, and we're going to say we'll just call it list item. Simple enough. And of course we need to close off the tag. And lastly, we need to close off the unordered list tag. So just /ul, and there we go. I'm going to copy and paste this, and you're more than welcome to either type it out by hand. In fact, you'd actually probably learn more if you typed it out by hand. But I'm going to go ahead and copy everything out. Okay, and I'm going to copy this, put it there, and looks like I made a little bit of a mistake. Yeah, so we have the unordered list and the TD. Yeah, I put it in the wrong spot. You have to make sure they're between the tags. Simple enough, and the last item right there. Okay, there we go. That is the solution to the test. I'll see you guys next time.